There is a version of every student task that takes hours and a version that takes minutes. The difference in 2026 is knowing which AI tool to open. These are not shortcuts. These are force multipliers, tools that make research sharper, writing stronger, and preparation faster than any previous generation had access to. For research, Perplexity AI. It searches the live web, cites sources in real time, and delivers concise answers that would take hours to compile manually. Unlike standard search engines, Perplexity surfaces academic sources, recent reports, and conflicting perspectives all in a single response. The research phase just compressed dramatically. For writing and structured thinking, Claude and ChatGPT. Not to write essays for submission, to think out loud, press test arguments, and break through blocks. Feed it a half-written essay. It responds with a counter-argument and structure suggestions. Use it to stress test a thesis, to restructure a weak paragraph, to simulate what a professor might critique before submission. That is the highest leverage use. For presentations and visual output, Gamma AI and Canva AI. A presentation that previously needed hours of design work now takes a structured prompt and a few minutes. Gamma AI generates full slide decks from a single text prompt. Clean, modern, output ready. Canva AI adds image generation, copy suggestions, and layout intelligence directly into a design workspace most students already use. The learning curve is near zero. For learning and note organization, Notebook LM by Google. Upload a lecture PDF, a textbook chapter, or a research paper and ask questions directly to the content. It also generates summaries, study guides, and practice questions from uploaded material. Exam preparation at a pace that was not possible before this tool existed. Every student now has access to tools that were available only to well-resourced professionals a few years ago. And not knowing these tools is wide, and it is growing. Subscribe to Purpose Pulse. The full breakdown of how to use each of these tools for academics, internships, and career applications coming in the next video.